Hi. Today, I want to tell you about Tedswoodworking. Woodworking is a good hobby if you like working with your hands. Woodworking is a good hobby if you are thinking of living off the land or in a sparsely populated area. And to get started on a project, you just need a few simple tools, hardware, some instruction, and some practice. Plus there are endless possibilities of things that you can make with this hobby. However, don't start from scratch. Tedswoodworking has done all the research and planning for you. You can grab over 16,000 woodworking plans from Gazebos, outdoor family picnic bench, elegant office furniture, mom and dad chair set, woodshed, bunk beds, storage, and bed set, plus even a treasure chest for the children. You'll learn it all: tools to hinges, screws to detailed plans, and how to select the best wood. Tedswoodworking comprehensive instructions include 1. Step-by-step instructions. 2. Cutting and materials list. 3. Detailed schematics. 4. All angles views plans. 5. 150 premium woodworking videos. Now you can impress your friends, family, and coworkers with gifts that you made yourself. But beware, your family and friends may start requesting you to build them a table, cabinet, gazebo, or even a treasure chest for their children. Tedswoodworking is suitable for beginners to professionals. You do not need to be a master woodworker or have expensive machinery. Perhaps you will be able to even turn the hobby into a small business. So, if you are interested, get started today. Click the Tedswoodworking link and start on your new woodworking hobby or business.